Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from Comex. Today we'll talk about how to print a mesh banner. Generally speaking, there are two digital printing methods for mesh banners: solvent printing and UV printing. Solvent printing and UV printing. UV printing is more environmentally friendly than solvent printing and lasts longer. When you print mesh banners by solvent printing, choosing mesh banner material with PVC liner is better. The PVC liner will prevent ink from splashing on the printer. When you print a mesh banner by UV methods, you only need to mesh banner material without PVC liner, and we have double-size printable mesh banners, specially designed for UV printing. Please visit our website